Today we are in Priorswood Road to see this gorgeous 1930s semi-detached property just behind me. So towards the rear you've got a massive garage, you've got 3 good sized rooms. It's a really great family home. A little bit of modernising in places, so a blank canvas for whoever buys it. It's a really fantastic opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Okay, so hopefully you liked what you saw. If you'd like to book a viewing, drop me an email or a text or a call or however you want to get in contact with me. If you want me to come and value your home, then I'd love that too. Speak to you soon. Thanks so much.